Tuscan kitchens are renowned for their warm, earthy ambience, blending natural elements with sophisticated touches. Imagine the sun-drenched hills of Tuscany as the backdrop, terracotta tiles underfoot, and the rich aroma of fresh herbs filling the air. These kitchens aren't just spaces to cook, they are the heart of the home, filled with charm, history, and the essence of countryside living. Join us as we explore 5 captivating design styles that showcase the magic of Italian rustic luxury at its finest. There's something enchanting about the charm of a vineyard kitchen, where rustic elements blend effortlessly with a warm, lived-in feel. This design centers on the use of natural materials, rich wooden cabinetry, stone countertops, and terracotta tile floors, all reflecting the colors and textures of the surrounding vineyards. Picture an inviting space with wide arched doorways where sunlight filters through, casting a golden glow on the room. The color palette is inspired by the land, with deep olive greens, muted yellows, and earthy browns echoing the rolling Tuscan hills. Large, central dining tables made from weathered wood are perfect for hosting family gatherings, surrounded by vintage ceramic jars and bottles of the finest local wine. Textures are key to this design, with distressed wood and stone creating an authentic rustic atmosphere. The walls often feature rough, exposed stone or plaster, giving the kitchen a timeless handcrafted look. Overhead, wooden beams add warmth and a sense of history, reminding you that this is a space where memories are made over generations. Lighting in a vineyard-style kitchen is soft and ambient, mimicking the natural sunlight that bathes the Tuscan countryside. Lantern-style fixtures or vintage chandeliers enhance the romantic mood, making the space feel both cozy and expansive. This style also embraces the imperfect beauty of natural materials. Every chip in the tile or knot in the wood tells a story, adding character to the kitchen. With stone ovens or open hearths as a focal point, cooking becomes a communal experience, evoking the warmth and togetherness that Tuscan living is all about. Accessories like copper pots, rustic ceramics, and herb-filled planters are subtle yet effective ways to bring the vineyard inside. The mood is relaxed, evoking a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. The open floor plan allows for easy flow between cooking, dining, and lounging areas, reflecting the Italian tradition of gathering with loved ones. With windows that frame breathtaking vineyard views, this kitchen truly embodies the essence of Tuscan living. Vineyard Charm kitchens are perfect for those who appreciate the rustic elegance of the countryside, combined with the richness of Italian culture. A terracotta haven kitchen exudes warmth, inspired by the rich, earthy tones of Tuscany's famous clay. At the heart of this design are terracotta tiles, which bring a natural grounding element to the space. These tiles can be found on the floor as a backsplash or even as decorative accents, their reddish-brown hue instantly making the kitchen feel cozy and welcoming. Wooden cabinetry and rough-hewn stone countertops complement the terracotta, adding a sense of balance between elegance and rustic charm. The color palette in a terracotta haven is a harmonious blend of warm oranges, soft creams, and muted earth tones. This creates a soothing, sun-kissed environment that feels connected to the natural landscape of Tuscany. Natural light plays a crucial role here, with large windows allowing the sunlight to enhance the warmth of the terracotta, making the space feel bright and inviting. The textures are rich, with worn wood, distressed plaster, and vintage ceramics, all adding depth and character to the room. One of the standout features in this design is the use of traditional Tuscan arches, whether in doorways or as part of the cabinetry design. These soft, rounded shapes create a gentle flow throughout the kitchen, making it feel both expansive and intimate. Cooking in a terracotta haven feels like a luxurious experience, with stone hearths and rustic ovens at the heart of the space. Copper cookware and ceramic jars filled with herbs further enhance the authentic Italian vibe. Lighting in this kitchen is warm and understated, with wrought iron fixtures or soft pendant lights creating an ambient glow. This enhances the cozy, intimate atmosphere, making the kitchen a perfect space for both everyday meals and special gatherings. The mood is one of rustic luxury, where natural materials meet thoughtful design to create a space that feels timeless yet effortlessly stylish. The terracotta haven style is perfect for those who want to embrace the earthy, sun-soaked charm of Tuscany in their home. It's a design that celebrates the beauty of imperfection, where every tile, every texture tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage. A haven, indeed, for those who love the warmth and comfort of rustic living combined with the elegance of Italian design. At the heart of every Tuscan farmhouse kitchen lies the hearth symbol of warmth, comfort, and togetherness. The countryside hearth style brings this element to life, creating a cozy, rustic space that feels like the true heart of the home. With a large stone fireplace or oven as the focal point, this kitchen is designed for both cooking and gathering, evoking the charm of traditional Italian family life. Imagine a kitchen where the warmth of a crackling fire fills the room, the smell of fresh bread baking in the oven, and a rustic dining table set for a hearty meal. This design features natural materials in abundant stone walls, wooden beams, and terracotta floors, all adding to the earthy, grounded feel of the space. The color palette is warm and inviting, with shades of burnt orange, deep browns, and soft creams creating a cozy ambience. The textures are rich and varied, with distressed wood, weathered stone, and aged metal accents adding depth and character to the room. The countryside hearth kitchen embraces the concept of gathering around the fire with the hearth or oven serving as both a functional and decorative element. Cooking in this kitchen feels like stepping back in time, with rustic copper pots hanging from hooks, handmade ceramics lining the shelves, and wooden cutting boards worn from years of use. The large dining table, often positioned near the hearth, becomes the centerpiece for family meals and celebrations, making this kitchen feel truly lived in and loved. Lighting in a countryside hearth kitchen is soft and atmospheric, with warm, golden tones that enhance the rustic charm of the space. Lantern-style fixtures or wrought iron chandeliers add to the old-world feel, casting a gentle glow over the room. The mood is one of warmth and comfort, making the kitchen a welcoming space for family and friends to gather. The stone and timber retreat style takes rustic luxury to a new level, combining the natural beauty of raw stone and wood to create a kitchen that feels both rugged and refined. This design is all about embracing the textures and materials of the Tuscan countryside, with exposed stone walls, timber beams, and distressed wood cabinetry creating a space that feels grounded and organic. Imagine a kitchen where the natural elements take center stage, with the warmth of wood and the solidity of stone creating a harmonious, welcoming environment. The color palette is earthy and rich, with shades of warm brown, soft beige, and deep terracotta creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The textures are varied and tactile, with rough stone, smooth wood, and aged metal accents adding depth and character to the room. The use of natural materials gives the space an authentic, handcrafted feel, making it a true reflection of traditional Tuscan craftsmanship. One of the standout features of a stone and timber retreat kitchen is the use of large, exposed beams, which add a sense of grandeur and history to the space. These beams often run the length of the ceiling, creating a rustic yet elegant look that feels both timeless and contemporary. Stone countertops and backsplashes add to the natural, earthy feel of the space, while distressed wood cabinetry and furniture bring warmth and texture. Lighting in this kitchen is warm and understated, with simple, rustic fixtures that enhance the natural beauty of the materials used. Lantern-style lights or wrought iron chandeliers add a touch of old-world charm, casting a soft golden glow over the room. The mood is one of rustic elegance, where the beauty of natural materials is celebrated and showcased. For those who love the idea of a kitchen that feels both luxurious and grounded, the stone and timber retreat style offers the perfect balance of rustic charm and modern sophistication. It's a design that celebrates the beauty of the Tuscan countryside, where natural materials and thoughtful design come together to create a space that feels both timeless and contemporary. There's something undeniably magical about a sunlit Tuscan kitchen, where the warmth of the Italian sun fills the room, casting a golden glow over every surface. The sunlit farmhouse kitchen style embraces this natural light, creating a bright, airy space that feels both welcoming and luxurious. With large windows and open spaces, this kitchen is designed to make the most of the natural beauty of the Tuscan landscape. The color palette is soft and light with shades of warm beige, creamy whites, and soft terracotta, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere. The textures are natural and tactile, with distressed wood, smooth ceramic, and rough stone all working together to create a space that feels both rustic and refined. The use of natural materials gives the kitchen an authentic, handcrafted feel, while the abundance of light creates a fresh, contemporary look. Large windows are a key feature in this design, allowing natural light to flood the space and highlighting the beauty of the materials used. These windows often frame stunning views of the Tuscan countryside, making the kitchen feel connected to the outdoors. The open floor plan enhances the sense of space and light, creating a kitchen that feels both expansive and intimate. Lighting in a sunlit farmhouse kitchen is soft and warm, with simple, understated fixtures that complement the natural light. Pendant lights or wrought iron chandeliers provide a subtle glow in the evenings, enhancing the cozy, welcoming atmosphere of the space. The mood is one of relaxed elegance, where natural materials and thoughtful design come together to create a space that feels both timeless and contemporary. For those who love the idea of a kitchen that feels bright, airy, and connected to nature, the sunlit farmhouse kitchen style offers the perfect balance of rustic charm and modern sophistication. It's a design that celebrates the beauty of light, where every detail is carefully considered to create a space that feels both luxurious and lived in. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.